Adora Endo is the only one who has in her life. What about the Hashimoto-san, the only man of the life of Mildred? Wow! Hashimoto-san is the only man of Mildred's life, today and forever and ever. Amen. How about the other here? Without no other love. Where is the love in the love of the life of Miss Mabel Cancio? She's preparing the song for her only love. Later we will hear the song. Oh my God. He is very close-neck. He is very close-neck. I am very open to all. It's very hot in here because side by side is the love I have. You touch me. You touch me. Touch me in the morning and in the evening, in the lunchtime.